Hi guys, welcome to Dr. Vijaya Vardhan channel. Subscribe to get latest posts or visit drvijayavardhan.com to read interesting articles on information technology and management. So today we are going to see the session about data science. So we are going to see the attributes of data science. One has to know what kind of tools and techniques to become a data scientist, and these attributes covers entire or complete paradigm of data science. So the tools and techniques which one has to use effectively to become a data scientist. And the important attributes are machine learning, data visualization, data analysis, web scraping, mathematics, deployment, IDs, and programming languages. So we'll see one by one in all these attributes. Let us take the important one first, is machine learning. So what are the important concepts one has to understand to understand the machine learning or to get expertise with data science? In a machine learning, the first one is a classification. A classification is a supervised learning concept which basically categorizes a set of data into classes. And the regression is a continuous method or a process that allows to predict the continuous outcome variable. And then reinforcement learning. So the reinforcement learning is an environment which gives you to go ahead with trial and error method. And the deep learning has a networks capable of learning from unsupervised data. And dimensionality reduction, which reduces the number of input variables in a data set. And the clustering is it's a technique of grouping data points. So in this machine learning, all these points, all these is concepts need to be well understood in a data science paradigm. After machine learning, we'll see data visualization. So you cannot get anything out of from the raw data. So you have to visualize. There need to be some certain tools and techniques to give you the data in understandable format. So in data visualization, there is a tool called Tableau. Tableau converts raw data into easily understandable format. And then we have a Fusion Charts, a charting library. And then we have a data wrapper, is a tool to create charts, maps, and tables. And then we have a Power BI, which connects disparate data sets and transform and clean the data into a data model. And we have a Matplotlib, ggplot, and Seaborn or visualization tools. After data visualization, and so we need to understand data analysis. In the data analysis, we have a feature engineering. So the feature engineering is to extract the features from raw data using data mining techniques. And we have a data wrangling. So data wrangling is used to map the raw data in one form to another format. And we have an exploratory data analysis. This techniques tells us to see what data can tell beyond the formal modeling. And then we have now web scraping. So there are certain tools to get the data. So we have a scrapie that used to extract the data from APIs, and we have URL lib, that's a standard library to extract the data. And then we have a beautiful soap, this is Python library to extract the data. And then we have a mechanical soap, is a library for automating the interaction. And then we have LXML is to handle XML and HTML files. So after seeing machine learning and data visualization, data analysis, web scraping, so you have to master all these techniques to become a good data scientist. And then apart from these important concepts, one has to know the second of other concepts as well. So now start with mathematics. So one has to have a mathematics knowledge in this statistics, discrete math, linear algebra and differential calculus. And next deployment. So one has to know Amazon AWS deployment and Microsoft Azure deployment. So deployment is AWS and Azure. And IDEs is integrated development environments, and most of the machine learning or data scientists use is a Jupyter. I mean, Jupyter is, I think, around 70% is most widely used IDE, followed by RStudio around 30%, and PyCharm around 29%, and Spider around 20%, and we have MATLAB at 12% and Automate 10%. These covers around 95% of IDEs in the world, and then another 5% we have Google Colab, Anaconda and NetBeans. And then we have to understand certain programming languages to become expertise in to get expertise in data science field, or Python, R, Java, SQL, Julia and Scala. So hope now you understand the attributes which contributes to the complete paradigm of data science, starting from machine learning, data visualization, data analysis, web scraping, mathematics, deployment, IDEs and programming languages. So if you understand these 8 attributes completely, or effectively use these tools and techniques, then there is no doubt that you can become a good data scientist. Thank you for listening to my video. Subscribe to Dr. Vijaya Vardhan channel, or visit drvijayavardhan.com to read articles on information technology and management. Thank you very much.